beside you. The other thing is there, sir, soil is so hard here. You will go and see that
They use more and more water.
hard rocks are here.
They take off. The utilization of the
groundwater level is so low.
minimal.
But since your years is very hard, water bricks can
Water also the hard.
Yeah, they
Ground
always
level,
one rock is
rock.
and that development are made. That can be used.
Yeah. And one.
Okay.
When you will get round and you will see that.
Next.
These are one more for regarding rainwater harvesting. I will tell you, all building we have completed with rainwater harvesting pipes last, and all water is collected in that.
That peak.
That it
This one is here. We will show you. We did here,
Okay,
this side,
right.
near our well. And one more thing we have done. This last photograph is showing that a water running in rainy season from road that is going to this way and to another village. That we have made a chamber there and diverted the water in our area. That will also I will show you.
Okay.
Okay, next. Tree plantation programs as this one last photograph is with the forest department. Our students participated each year. They participate with forest department. There is a one jungle here, Durg. The student goes there and each year plant lakhs of trees plant.
So why don't you invite your forest department to plant trees in your campus?
They provide us, sir. Each year they provide. They come. They take program in our college. They come, sir. This also celebration of Constitution Day. Next, campus cleanliness drive. Next, blood donation camp as stated earlier. I also donate blood each year. Then police rising day. Then workshop on women grievances empowerment. Next, anti-addiction programs in our college. Darubandi Abhiyan, that is AIDS awareness workshops. Then seminar on Pani Foundation. This one is the most important. I would like to tell you. Pani Foundation. Amir Khan's Parliament takes right. Our one of the student, I will show you that one next to this slide. Then come to next. Cashless transaction program in commerce faculty. Then a series of competitive exam organized by our Lokmat.
What is the mode of your key collection? That is at the counter or
On counter.
on counter.
Cash
So you are conducting workshop.
Workshop.
Cashless transaction.
We are trying.
And you are practicing the.
Yes. The problem is the same. The students are very poor. They don't have Android mobile also, and there is not using debit card or ATM card.
Nearby bank branch.
Bank of Baroda is here. State Bank is also here.
So you are keeping account with which bank?
Our salary as per the government's rule, we are having the Maharashtra Bank's salary and other fees are in Bank of Baroda.
So at what distance that bank?
2.5 kilometers from here is Baroda Bank, but Bank of Maharashtra is
You
not
can
here.
contact the bank to keep open a collection center.
Sir,
And then instead of making a collection at your counter, you can have the challan system. So each deposit will be directly collected by the bank.
okay.
So there will be more transparency.
We requested them, but they are not willing to come here and ready to go employed. That's why.
They are also having a shortage of staff.
They
Banks employees also very
open
less.
the extension counter.
Yeah.
They need some sufficient
Yeah.
transaction.
Transaction.
They don't want.
Sir,
Okay.
Next.
voters awareness program in our institute rallies. Next, cleanliness Pandarwada, Savitri Phule Jayanti. This is works in Pani Foundation with Pani Foundation.
The head of department will come.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Every meeting will be here only. Just one more important thing I would like to tell you. This one, felicitation of Naina Chinchi is our alumni. This who worked in Pani Foundation, run by the well-known actor Amir Khan and Kirana. She done the appreciative and marked job, generate and maintain the water level in her small village called Khadki. Amir Khan came here, met her, and show me sir video. Please run the video that one. She has done the very nice work in her. She is our ex-student, that is alumni student. All PPT, all videos are we are having YouTubes and all these things of our staff and Naina Chinchi also.
American and his wife visited that particular country, and they
we have called her that girl student tomorrow today afternoon in the alumni assembly. She will make a, this one is her village. She is our student. आवाज हो रहा है? Speakers? Speaker और भी
So she is your student.
Yes, she is our
That's why
student.
you are getting it.
Sir.
Right.
Next. This is adventure camp. Our professor Madhuri Rakote will come here. Was the district level coordinator for the NSS, and she has gone to adventure camp at different states. This is the Himachal Pradesh photographs. Next. Then again Ahwan camp. She has participated at Kolhapur. These are Ahwan camp photographs. The next. Also camp activities of our NS2 NSS Bandara that invent. Next. Eye checking camps and all the for rural. Next. This is our departmental activities, and this is one most important thing, workshop on the earn and learn program. Visit to Anganwadi. Next. This is the physical facilities we are having for the disabled students. These are the programs we are running. Next. Value-added programs. Then best practices, we are using two types of best practices: awareness of and enrollment of the students from the rural tribal belt toward the higher education through PG and UG courses, teacher guardian scheme. We are having the teacher guardian scheme.
Physically verified.
Okay.
Thanks.
Community and social bondage we are having. Then the strength and all we are about in SSR. Thank you very much, sir.
One clarification.
Sir.
Totally, how many UG courses are there in your college?
17 courses we are using.
17 programs or 17 courses? Let's clarify.
Courses. We are having the 5 programs. UG level, BA, BCom, BSc are 3 courses. UG levels, 2 are PA and English are both. 2 are the compulsory subjects, and we are having the 5
Like that here, how many BA courses are there?
5.
So BA 5. Next, BSc.
BSc 3.
BSc 3. Then BCom.
BCom compulsory we are having.
Only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
So it means total 9 UG courses are
Correct, sir.
there. Right?
Correct.
17 not.
No.
17 departments are there.
Department,
So that is
yeah.
misleading here.
Yeah.
So number of programs or say number of departments are 17.
Yeah.
But courses are only 9.
Correct.
2 PG,
2
9
PG.
UG. That's all. And 9 certificate courses it came in there.
Correct, sir. 9 current certificate courses included in last 5 years.
Okay.
Thank
And one more clarification. So all of you are calling as a professor. Is it a designated professor or
Assistant and associated professor.
No professor is there?
No professor.
That is a
Assistant and
danger.
associate.
You are calling again. Every time he is a professor, he is professor. So there is no
No
designated
professor is others. All are assistant and associate
Right,
professor.
only. So now the department wise professor.
Thank you very much. Sir. Which department would you like to see first, sir?
Physics
According to your convenience.
Physics.
Yes.
Student.
Constitution, we have gone through it.
Yeah.
We know well that how many persons are there, what are their qualifications and so on.
Yeah.
So instead of because
You
it's
just give your achievements, your publications, your
Just you have to highlight the uniqueness of your
uniqueness of your department only. Best practice of your department.
how you are different
Different
from
to all
other
3
departments.
slides. Okay.
What is your teaching method? What is your method?
Should I start, sir?
Yes.
Myself, sir, Dr. Kalakyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. This is my title slide and I'm happy to next please. Our department is established in 2009 and we are running bachelor of 1 UG course. Next please. In semester pattern. Basically my presentation is divided in 3 categories: teaching, learning process, student probation, research activity, achievements and extension kind of activities. Next please. This is our vision and mission of the department. Next please. This this is the faculty profile of my department. Only one full-time faculty is working with my department.
You are Nimaran.
Yes, myself, K.R. Nimaran, and remaining 2 hours this is lecture.
There are
2 hours
class of
CHP.
sure.
Next please. This is the statistic of books our present in our central library. Physics are 107 books, under textbook category 79 and reference book category 28, and on English portal we have 2749 books and journal 29. Next please. This is the teaching aid I have used during my teaching learning process: projector, computer, laptop, charts, model, and various kinds of
It is common or it is a specific for your department?
projector is not such remaining are sir.
So what is the frequency that you are using in your department? Because you will have to order for that, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, sir, almost 25 to 30% of syllabus I cover through project because of some lack of faculty. More and more portion.
I will let you explain, sir.
Next, please.
Please take question. Down.
Next, please. This is the teaching learning methods I use in classroom. Classroom lecture, practical tutorial, interactive sessions, seminar, and projector, which are also used for.
You are conducting seminars for your own department.
Yes.
You are conducting seminars
Yes.
for your department.
Yes, sir, under internal assessment activities, sir. Your university also give us freedom.
So, who are the participants of the seminar?
Students, sir.
Students of your department.
Yes, sir. Students of
So, how many students are in your department?
presently, sir, for first year I have 62 students. For second year 45 and 47 for final year.
What is the procedure of conducting the seminar?
Sir, we allot schedule to allot.
Give name of the speakers or they give name?
No, sir, we self-conduct these activities. Students only.
Thank you.
Next, please. This is the result of my department, sir. This is for 2013-14. Next. This is for 14-15. Next, please.
Pass percentage.
Sir, the reason which I have is that lack of full-time faculty are working in my department.
But you have other 3%.
To our basis, sir.
So they are not coming.
Yes, they are coming, sir, according to their timetables.
Right.
But they are not only.
They are not committed. They are not committed.
Yes, sir, because of proper basis, we can understand that. Next, please. This is for 16, 17, sir. And next, 17, 18. Next. This is the topper
So
of
what you have planned, because you are the sole member of your department,
Yes, yes.
and everything, every planning
Yes.
has to be done by you.
Yes, sir.
So since last several years,
Yes.
the result is not improving. So what you have thought?
Sir, I thought about this. I am trying to develop e-content unit-wise. In summer vacation, I am trying to complete one unit-wise video lecture.
What
which I
is your role now?
Yes, sir.
If they are not doing, I have to see that
Sir,
otherwise they are not
we are
doing
trying
what
to-
I have to do. So that it is there. Because if the results are poor, in coming years, students will not be attracted to your department.
Yes, sir.
So one day will come when you will search for a student, come to my department.
Yes, sir, but from my side, I will find everything. Next, please. This is the scholarship data already, sir, covered in this presentation. Next, please. This is the research activity of my department. Next. This is my research is, after PhD. Before joining to this institute, I am a research and associate dean of Royal Group of Industry in Nagpur. It is a steel processing and PMT Bharat Institute. Next, please. Next. This is our research collaboration. I have a PG department at Wardha for chemistry purpose. I have three students. Yes, sir. And for topic, interdisciplinary topics, sir. Actually, I am from material physics and physics, but explain our collaboration for this lecture. Next, please. This is our guest lecture, which I will conduct for students. Next. This is the departmental activity. We celebrate on a light year for 2015. Next. This is the event conducted on IPR in awareness about intellectual property rights. Next, please. This is my participation in international conferences at IIT Roorkee. I have chaired one session. Next, please. This is my paper presentation in BGTI Mumbai, one of the non-technical institute of Maharashtra. Next, please. This is the already discussed. This is the patent which I have filed. Next. And this is the content presently I have developed for students. and on very interesting curious topics just like next week. The thermostat model कैसे पानी में चला रहता है. So many times students ask them the curious question, and in order to resolve their provide their contribute their interest, we design such kind of YouTube videos. Next please. Next. And this is the extracurricular activity which we are next please. Next. Road now department. Next. This is the vlogging I have started for students on electrical vehicle in order to create interest in the, because this is the next theme of our industry, automobile industry. So especially I am writing blogs on electric vehicle. Next please. Business support in order to make 100 students business support like battery production or their recycling of this. Next.
How many students are following your blog?